Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'm going to show you how I keep my hijabs nice and organized. So if you're interested, keep watching. Don't forget to change the quality of the video so you can see a really clear picture. This is where I keep my hijabs, in this plastic pocket door hanger. I believe it has 24 pockets, and then it has the two larger ones at the bottom. But this is what I usually keep my hijabs in, and I feel like that it works really well. Okay, so these are my hijabs, and I try to keep a minimal and then don't try to go over 30 hijabs. I got rid of so many that I don't really wear, and then I did get a few new ones here. I don't like much color, although I do have these tie-dye ones that I've had for a really long time. I'm gonna go ahead and also show you how I fold my hijabs. I'll either fold it like this and then roll the hijab and keep it like that. And then for the longer ones, I try and do the same thing. Fold that in half.
Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah. Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah. Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah. Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah.
I've kind of color coordinated them. So let's go ahead and put them on the pockets of the door and see what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of my hijabs that I've already nicely rolled up, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them onto the pockets. So let's see what it looks like after. Okay sisters, hope you like this video. Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings.